Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and to a brand new vlog. This is the start of our Thailand series where our first destination was the capital city, Bangkok. We landed at Bangkok airport in the evening, super excited to start the trip. But reality hit us pretty quickly. The immigration queues were insane. It took us almost 1.5 hours just to get through. Once we got out, we quickly grabbed a local SIM card. Instead of taking a cab, we decided to hop on the airport metro, which is the most convenient and perhaps the best way to avoid Bangkok traffic. From there, we headed straight to Sukhumvit, where our hotel was located. So let's take you on a virtual tour of the property that we stayed in.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Two Ticket Adventures and we are in Bangkok, Thailand right now. We actually wanted to give you the room tour of our hotel, and it's already been like 3 days here since we are staying, and we will be checking out tomorrow. So we did not get enough time to shoot, but somehow we are taking time out of our busy schedule and tight schedule, and we are shooting this video so that you guys can get an idea of how this hotel looks like and how the room looks like, and whether to book this property when you are in Bangkok next or not. So the name of the hotel is Samala Hotel Bangkok, and it is situated in Sukhumvit area, which is really busy area, super busy area, and you will get a lot of traffic issues here. That's for sure and a given thing. So you have to be really mindful of that. But wait, this property has a lot of advantages, and when you talk of plus points, you will just keep counting the plus points. And this room is quite gorgeous and quite luxurious. You will see all of it in this particular video. So before proceeding further, do subscribe to our channel if you are new here, and stay tuned till the end of the video to get the entire room tour and property tour.
So friends, let's start with the entrance of this room. So as you can see, there's a wooden door right here, and as soon as you enter into the room, there's some storage space provided over here. So you do get a couple of storage, a couple of drawers. You do get an ironing board along with 2 bathrobes here. There's also an umbrella provided. Excuse the mess because we just arrived from our sightseeing here. So you do get a couple of storage space here along with a safe. So they've also provided a safe which you can utilize to keep your passports, important documents or jewelry, anything confidential or sensitive which you are carrying over here, because it's protected by a digit code. Now, as we step further into the room, here is a huge mirror. So this is a very good area for getting dressed up, for getting ready. Now, to show you the restroom here. So as soon as you enter, I really like this space because there's a huge mirror provided over here which you can utilize for getting ready. Along with that, there's a makeup close-up mirror here as well, which really helps you while you're getting ready. As you can see, they have provided all the toiletries here. You do get the vanity kit, shaving kit, comb or dental kit. Everything has been provided here along with 2 bottles of water. This is the shower area here. Even here, you get a rain shower along with a handheld shower. And they have provided the basic toiletries, which is the shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. Everything has been provided here. So using these nozzles, you can actually control the water pressure and water temperature over here, which is quite helpful. So proceeding forward into the room, they have provided us here with a huge TV along with some more storage space. So you can see a lot of mess here because we don't have a closed cupboard here. We do have storage space in the form of shelves and racks, which we are utilizing now. So guys, just to give you some idea, we had booked the premier king room property in Hotel Samala, and here you can see this is the king size bed which they have provided along with 2 bedside tables. So you do get the intercom, you do get the tissue box, the regular usual stuff which you get along with the bedside lights. The room also has centralized air conditioning, and as you move forward into the room, so they have even provided us with a coffee machine. Along with that, there's a mini bar set up over here. It's chargeable, so you can refill it as per your convenience and even utilize the ones which the hotel has provided. Just remember that they are chargeable. We also get a couple of items, the usual consumables here for tea and coffee. And this is the entire area which is here along with the coffee machine. So once again, sorry for the mess, but these are the 2 chairs along with the table provided over here. So we have stored whatever we have shopped for here. Now introducing you to the most luxurious part of this room, which absolutely won our heart. So this is the jacuzzi which has been provided over here. You get a mesmerizing view because we do have blinders over here. So as you can see, I'll just move my hand and the blinder will start coming down. I'm just kidding, this is being controlled by a remote. Yeah, so they have given a remote controlled blinder here. One of them is translucent, the other one is opaque. You can utilize it as per your convenience when you're using the jacuzzi here. But in-room jacuzzi provides a spa-like experience. So if you're very tired, because in Bangkok you have to walk a lot, and if you're tired, and this can really help you in relaxing and de-stressing yourself after a long hectic day. The hotel has a rooftop swimming pool, fitness center and a meeting hall. It also has a restaurant where the breakfast buffet was organized every morning and the food spread was huge and absolutely delicious. There is also a mini bar and a speakeasy and cocktail bar for guests.
So guys, this was the room and property tour from Samala Hotel Bangkok. Hope you have liked it. Other than the traffic issue, we don't see any, or we have not seen any red flags here. The hotel is really amazing. The staff is very hospitable. Thailand is anyways famous for its hospitality and warm and welcoming approach. So whenever you are in Thailand, you will feel like a king and queen. So definitely the hotel wins our hearts over there. And this room, definitely we were tired after the entire trip from airport and from India, and we just entered the room, just saw the room, and all our stress was gone. So definitely we'll recommend this particular property for whenever you come to Bangkok. Do try it, and we really hope that you will not be disappointed. So guys, if you have any questions related to this property, drop a comment on the video and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Also, if you like watching our content, do subscribe to our channel and press the like button. So the Bangkok vlogs are on the way. Stay tuned for that, and for that you have to subscribe to our channel. We will see you on another day. Till then, take care and bye-bye.